Hello everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to install SQL Server on Linux version 20.004, I believe. And also I'm going to show you how to install php-MyAdmin so that way you have like a GUI to look at it. So I will go ahead and teach you how to do that. Alright, the first thing that you're going to want to do is open up your terminal. Type in sudo su and then your password. The next thing that you're going to want to do is to install Apache. So go ahead and enter in sudo apt-update. Okay, and then after that you want to enter in sudo apt-upgrade. And then type in Y for yes. Alright, after that's done, you will want to actually install Apache. So the command for that is sudo apt install apache 2. And then type in Y for yes. Alright, after you're done with that, you want to make sure that it's running. So type in the command sudo systemctl is -enabled apache 2.service. And if it says enabled, you're good to go. If not, you'll want to type in sudo systemctl enable apache 2.service. Alright, so now we want to install mysql. So here's what we're going to do. Type in sudo apt-get update. Okay, and then we're going to type in sudo apt-get-y upgrade. And then we're going to type in sudo reboot to reboot the virtual machine. Okay, to install mysql, what you're going to want to do is type in sudo apt-update and then sudo apt install mysql-server and then sudo mysql, I cannot remember what the name of that thing is, secure another thing installation, and then you will want to type in sudo mysql, and after that happens you will see this. You are pretty much logged into your SQL server through your terminal. Okay, so after you're done with that, you will want to install php-MyAdmin, which is kind of like a GUI for your SQL server. So type in exit, and then what we're going to type in is sudo apt-update. Alright, after you're done with that, you'll want to type in this command right here. If this doesn't work and it says that you need to install curl, just follow those instructions. You can literally copy and paste that. Alright, so now you're going to want to enter in this command after you get back into your SQL server on the terminal, which is sudo mysql, and then you'll want to enter it in this, and then a password that you set. Either it's the weak, medium, or hard complexity that you set it for. Mine was medium. So now after you do that, you want to go to show applications, scroll down, click php-myadmin, type in root, and then the password that you typed in right there. Okay, now as you can see, you can actually see what you're doing here and add things. And yeah, I hope this video has helped you, and thank you for watching.